In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add contacts in the Pipedrive. So for that, the process is very simple. The link will be in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. So once you're on the link page, you will be redirected to this page. Just have to log into your credentials, and then you will see there is a contact option. Go ahead and click on that, and then you will be able to see the contacts. So if you're doing it for the first time, just go ahead and click on import, and then you will be redirected to a different page. Once you're on a different page, here you'll see that there's a bunch of options. Once it's been loaded on, you'll see there are, we can select between different categories, the people, the organization. As much as we started to include all of these are the custom fields, and organizational leads, these sort of fields will be attached to the contacts in case we select it. So once we have selected contact attributions and the fields, we just have to go ahead and click on next, and then upload spreadsheet or XLS file or CSV file. I have the CSV file over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and upload it over here. Once I've done that, it says I continue with import, and then I'll do it. So it will start reading all the fields data that is already in there, and it will sort the application out and contacts out likewise. So once it's done, just go ahead and click on next, and then it will see the preview. We have the organization, we have the organization name and all that stuff. And in the people that we have the email, we have the phone number, we have the owner, because I'm the owner. I don't have any person attached in the team we get, so I'll be the owner myself. But if there's anybody in the team, that obviously I can assign these contact to him, or anybody that's in there. So these are the organization details. Just go ahead and click on next, and that way I'll be able to do it. So I'm just gonna go ahead, merge data, and start import. So it's not importing. Wait for a few seconds till it's done, and now it's done. You see that I have added 40 different contacts right now. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this very helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye.